Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna make something really simple for you. People said, hey Daryl, you cannot make dessert in a pan, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna make some banana lumpia. First thing what I do is I put on the fire, put on the heat, put in some oil because you want the oil real hot, okay? So I can heat up the oil so I don't have to wait. I really don't put in that much oil because this pan here is so awesome. First, I cut the banana all in fours. Then, I grab the lumpia wrapper, okay? And I put 1/4 banana each in here, right? Put in a spoonful of brown sugar, and I fold it, okay? I fold it really nicely and tight. Then I get some beaten egg, put it right on the side. Now you can use flour and water, but I use the egg because it doesn't splash that way. Yeah? You flour in the water, sometimes the water makes it splash. So yeah, again, put in the banana, put in the brown sugar, fold it just like this. Then you seal it with the egg wash. Okay? Banana, brown sugar. Got them now, eh? Yeah? This thing here, the lumpia, is going to be awesome. It's going to taste so good. Put in the lumpia right in here. I have it fried. Okay? Just like that. Okay, what you're doing is, when you fry it, you know the sugar, it kind of crystallizes, it kind of goes through the whole thing. It's going to take so on them. And the banana is going to kind of like melt and married with the brown sugar. And the spring roll becomes crispy. And this thing going to be super ono. Okay, when one side is already kind of crispy, you kind of turn it over. Okay? Okay. Burger is good. Put it all on this napkin, right? Let it drain. There you go, man. Burger look just like this. Okay? So let me see how well it tastes. There you go. Banana lumpia. Again, just spring rolls with 2 banana, quarter banana inside here. And some brown sugar and fry them. Oh! So hot, but it's so good. Again, stay tuned to next week with the man and the pan. Okay, I'm gonna make some more dessert. This burger is so ono. Aloha!